Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and right now tap on apps. Here we have to tap on see all 59 apps, of course 59 in my case, and now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see at the very bottom we've got the reset up preferences option, so let's tap, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.